Hello, friends. I was watching the news when I learned that a light plane crash has crashed in Australia in August 2017. The plane in which carrying an instructor and trainee pilot crashed. Before the accident, the plane was flying at a height of 10,000 feet. During this flight training, the trainee's pilot lost control of aircraft which crashed to the ground. It was unfortunate for the trainee's pilot, and I send my heartfelt condolence to his family. A medical team rescued the instructor pilot with numerous injuries, while the trainee's pilot died at this accident. I have seen many car and train accidents in which could survive a plane crash. There have only been a few cases of survivor worldwide, and I would like to learn from this accident how one pilot survived a plane crash. As a palm reader, I wonder how the instructor pilot survived, what is in his hand. Following my research, I spoken to that pilot 18 months after the accident. We set a time, date, and location for our meeting. I went to his place and read his hand. Has undergone numerous operations throughout his body. When I meet him, he was very relaxed, walking and talking to me. He allowed me to photographs of his hand. We had a great conversation, shared a lot of informations, and discussed his pre-accident experiences. He told me that he was grateful to his friends and family and medical team, both during and after this accident, and that was I extremely lucky to have survived. I took his photographs of his hands for thorough examination. The hand speaks itself, showing how the person survived in a serious accident. What he is holding in his hand, what is his lifeline, what does the fate line include, what exactly in the headline, and what other marker does he hold in his hand. My observation have revealed findings from his hand, including lines and markers which demonstrate how the person managed to survive a significant aeroplane accident. Now, palm reading part. I look his hand and discover that he has an air hand, which means his palm and fingers are square. He has air hand, which represent communication, calm, sociability, and intelligence. The air hand palms and long finger are squarish and functional in appearances. The palm has many lines that are thinner and clear of those found on earth and fire hands. Skin textures range from medium to fine, these including his intelligence, problem solving ability, and subject matter expertise. His fingertips. I have noticed the droplet on the fingertips cause tiny bulges in the center. This mark of fingertips represent sensitivity in person. In a complex situation, an individual can feel and make the right decision to protect themselves. This marking allowed him to make a balanced decision to avoid a more serious situation in the air accident. angle of the thumb. His large thumb angle indicates that he is eager to get started and complete task right away. He can complete tasks quickly, confidently, because he enjoys leading and complexing tasks. He is self-sufficient, confident, and knowledge in his field. Islands. Islands on the lifeline are considered serious health weaknesses. They show at a time in life when energy was divided and vitality was low. These individuals were suppressed due to their physical state at the time. The island is a significant symbol of his life journey. The tiny island is in his lifeline and has been between 25 to 30 years of his age, demonstrating how energy flows separately. In general, it indicates that the individual health and immune system deteriorated during his time on the island. The island is discovered in both of his hands, revealing potential health problem, the accent, while reducing resistance and immunity. The island on the lifeline is commonly interpreted as a severe and prolonged illness with a lengthy recovery period that depletes vitality. Following the island formation, the lifeline is thicker than before, indicating that he has recovered vital energy and strength following the accident and multiple surgeries. Apex. In palmistry, the apex refers to the highest point, peak, or mountain on the hand, and it represents a specific strength or influence. It is appear as a triangle formation by the ridge in the skin. He held a definite apex formation on the mount of Jupiter, Saturn, the Sun, and Mercury. This demonstrates his mental and physical ability. It is associated with high ambition, seriousness of work, artistic ability, and quick thinking. During our conversation, he informed me that he has attempted to land the plane safely. The aircraft was out of control. The timing was running out. He did his best to control the plane and it crashed. And he could not remember anything after that. All the positive signs of support for Mount's quick action and mental ability to do everything he could to save his and the trainees' pilot lives. Headline: Lifeline discovered that a physical constitution, as stated in the headline, represent the mental constitution. The energy that flow through this line revealed a person's thinking ability such as brain power, concentration and memory, intellect and reasoning. A long, clear, deep line with no flaw is by far the best indicator of a person's ability to think clearly and strong reasoning power, concentration and judgment. The headline demonstrates the ability to think about a variety of subjects. His headline is very deep, sharp and clear with no break or obvious brain injury. During the air crash, his sharp mind and clear judgment survived. Fortunately, he could not sustain any brain injury The training pilot suffered a severe brain injury. Conclusion from palm reading supported by his hand photos. As I previously stated, his lifeline is strong. A deep curved line indicates robust nervous system. In addition to a strong nervous system, the strong and deeply curved lifeline will reveal similarly strong physical health, ensuring his vitality, good health, and excellent immunity. All the major signs in his hand point to a serious accident and that many surgeries on his body part. However, he come back, all his energy restored, and his life back on track. The lifeline is getting thicker after the island formation. The break in his fate line means that he will change his course of his career. I only look off his hand in this video to learn and how he lived through a terrible accident. In this video, I explain all the good signs that shows he would survive the accident. These kinds of things can be happen anywhere in our life. We don't have to worry about it because it is not in our hand. Please like, comment on, and subscribe to my next videos. Thanks for watching.